Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to create a 3D Bitmoji on Snapchat. The process is really easy. I'll show you how. Let's get started. So first of all, open Snapchat on your phone and be sure you've logged into your account. You'll see this page on your screen, which is the camera. On this page, you'll have to tap on the person's icon at the top left corner of the screen. It is right besides the search icon. Now once you reach your profile, you'll see the create my avatar option at the top. Go ahead and tap on it. Select your gender. And now you can start customizing your 3D Bitmoji. Select the skin tone, then there's hair color. You can also choose the hairstyle. After that there's eye shape as well as eyelashes. There's eye size, small eyes, medium sized eyes and large eyes. Also there's eye spacing. You can choose what space to leave between your two eyes. Then there's eye color. You can choose the color of your eye. You can also choose the shape and thickness of your eyebrows. You can choose among different eyebrow colors. You can also determine the shape and size of your nose. Then there's jaw shape as well as your face shape. You can select the mouth as well. You can choose between thin lips and thick lips. Then there's your ear shape. You can also add hearing devices if you want to. Similarly, there are many other features like cheek lines, body type and others. You can go through all these options and customize your Bitmoji accordingly. Let's select the body type. You can also choose from different chest size. You can also wear earrings if you want to. Also, you can add all these other accessories like glasses and headwear. You can choose outfit for the Bitmoji. You can either choose from these ready-made outfits or you can create an outfit of your own. You can choose the t-shirts, pants, dresses and shoes. After you're done, tap on the last option, which is the tick icon. And here simply tap on Save Avatar. Now go ahead and refresh Snapchat on your phone. After that, you'll be able to see your 3D Bitmoji, that is your avatar right here. So yeah, I refreshed the app and here it is, my avatar. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for further tutorials. Thank you.